In today's video, we're going to learn how to mix one of my favorite watercolors, Undersea Green by Daniel Smith. I'm going to show you how to mix it yourself by looking at the pigment code. All right, so if we look at the pigment code, we have PB29, PO48, and PY150. So PY150 is transparent yellow. Now PO48 is quinacridone burnt orange. And PB29 is ultramarine blue. Now, I don't know if color mixing is too much like recipes, but because the blue was listed first, I did put the most of the blue in there, and we can adjust as needed. So let's mix this together and see if that's not pretty close to that. Not too bad, guys. All right, so if you don't have Undersea Green and you would like to be able to make this exact painting, you probably have colors like this in your kit. So you probably have a yellow, an orange, and a blue. And so that is how you mix Undersea Green. If you enjoyed this little experiment with me, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section down below. And be sure to subscribe for more videos like this. And until next time, happy painting.